Ever looked at something you really wanted, maybe a new phone, a pair of those trendy sneakers, or even that vacation you've been dreaming of, and thought, I wish I could pay for it in installments? Well, if you're like most people, the answer is probably a resounding yes. But here's the burning question: can Fave actually help you do that? Let's dive in. Now, Fave has been making waves in the payment scene. It's that app that promises to make your life easier, from ordering food to booking services. But can it handle the big stuff? Can it break down your dream purchase into bite-sized payments? That's what we're here to find out. First off, let's talk about what Fave actually is. It's a digital payment platform that's trying to revolutionize how we spend money. It's got features like deals, rewards, and even a payment option. But does that payment option include installments? We'll need to do some detective work here. We'll check out Fave's official website, their app, and maybe even reach out to their customer support. We'll look for any clues, any hidden features, or any outright statements about installment payments. But we're not stopping there. We're going to scour the internet, check out online forums, and see what other people are saying. Have they managed to break down their purchases using Fave? Are there any secret tricks or hacks we should know about? We'll also take a look at Fave's competitors. What are they offering? Are they providing installment options? If so, it might put some pressure on Fave to step up their game. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a quest for the truth. We're going to uncover the secrets of Fave and find out if it can truly be your financial superhero. Stay tuned, because we're about to reveal if Fave is your ticket to a world of installment bliss or if it's just another payment platform that falls short. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.